These are 5-inch drop bags. You can see a huge difference between these two. So today we're going to be installing stretch bags on the 2019 Street Glide. My stone mountain frisbee here to hold my screws. So that's what separates the bottom from the top. Now they're completely separate, but there's a few parts that we have to get off of this. So I'm gonna get this off here and get it transferred to the new bottom. These are 5-inch drop bags. You can see a huge difference between these two. Get the transferring one part to the next. So first we want to get these plugs taken out. These are the plugs right here. We're going to get these rubber plugs taken out. So, just like that. Push down on the inside of it and pull it out. Put them in the new ones. The little side goes in like this. So now that we got the rubber grommets in, let's get these part of the latch off of the old saddlebags and onto the new ones. There we go. I got that off. So this gives me a little bit more room and things that I need for my 21-day trip. I find a way to have my saddlebags even full to capacity just running around town on a day ride. Okay, we got the front on. Now let's get the back one off of this one. I haven't decided if I'm going to go with the razor or the chop pack. The razor, in my opinion, looks cooler. The chop pack has more room. The King Tour pack, I'm not going to put that big box on the back of my street glide. Try to keep, even though it would have a whole lot more room and better for traveling. I got to get a back. I gotta get a bag that goes on the seat for the back. All right, so that's on, and makes this complete. So I have the lids, but I'm gonna keep the Harley-Davidson lids and use the extended bottoms that I have. I'm not gonna change the top. And plus, if something does happen to the top and it gets scratched, I have brand new lids that I can put on. So I'm just going to keep this Harley-Davidson lid on there. That's going to work out perfect. The lids actually came with it. I could take all that hardware out of that and put it in this. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't see why I should take all the hardware out of a perfectly good lid and put it in this lid when that lid fits to that bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna get these put together and then we'll see what it looks like on the bike. Get the rubber pieces popped into the bottom and then we're complete. We're gonna put these things on the bike. All right, that's it.
I went with the 5-inch stretch saddlebags, and I think it looks a lot better than the standard Street Glide saddlebags. Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments below. All right, I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day.